I'll put some vertebrae down.
Piece by piece, Virginia Tech paleontologist Sterling Nesbitt lays out fossil remains of a newly discovered and newly named dinosaur.
This new animal is a relative of Tyrannosaurus rex and its close relatives.
Nesbitt, an assistant professor in the Department of Geosciences, says what's surprising is its size.
We have most of the hind limbs and the vertebrae and parts of the skull, so it doesn't have that typical T-Rex look to it. It's much more small.
About 3 feet tall at the hip, 9 feet in length, and weighing up to 90 pounds, the miniature relative of the Tyrannosaurus rex would be only slightly longer than the entire skull of a fully grown T-Rex.
T-Rex has a giant head, really small arms, and big, powerful hind limbs, but they're pretty robust and stocky. This animal has an elongated face, unlike T-Rex's big, massive head, and its hind limbs are very long. The forelimbs we don't know for sure, but they would probably only be about that long. T-Rex and its closest relatives had much smaller ancestors that would have looked like this new find, which we're naming Suskityrannus, hazelae.
The find, which Nesbitt discovered during a dig in New Mexico as a high school student, gives scientists a look into how the animals evolved before taking over the Earth.
These animals represent kind of their ancestral body types before they become big and the more usual, the ones that show up in kids' books, the ones that show up in movies.
A rare find 20 years ago that today is pieced together.